I've got 2 kids. It gets really busy when they're just up all day and all night. It's not always the most private or relaxing. It was different before we had kids. My wife and I probably had more of our own identities, rather than just being 90% a mum and a dad. But we kind of have a priority of keeping 2 kids alive. Once that's all sorted, then you've got a bit of time to be yourself a bit more. That's what privacy is for me. People find it really hard to ask for a bit of privacy. That sense of letting someone down is really, really apparent in lots of people's lives, and I don't think it should be the case. It's not a bad thing to want a bit of privacy. Sometimes it's just about getting out of the house just for 5 minutes. We're getting better at more of the unspoken stuff, more of the kind of hints of, well, I'm just going to take the kids out. The subtext of that is, do you want to go and do some sewing for 10-15 minutes, whatever it is. That's really important for people's mental health and just their general well-being, I think.